IoT procedure for the Eco-Fryer. Pre-check before Wi-Fi configuration or customer or kitchen Wi-Fi name and password. Go to Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi configuration, and then to reset. Connect to the fryer Wi-Fi in capital letters FRY_VO and enter the password. Open the browser in your laptop or on a mobile phone. Type the IP address displayed on the fryer machine, display, and then press enter. Select Wi-Fi credentials and click Next. Fill the required SSID and password and click on Send. Wait till the connection interrupts the browser. Once the step 7 is completed, the machine connection is established, then the connection page will go back to Wi-Fi settings page with an up arrow Wi-Fi symbol on the top. After that, restart the machine and wait for 25 to 30 seconds, then the machine will automatically connect to the updated Wi-Fi.